Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a penny stock where Porinju Veliyath's EQ India fund has bought 30 lakh shares at rupees 5.39 yesterday. Now the fact that this stock has corrected 80% from its 52-week high makes it quite an interesting one to observe. Now friends, we also run a couple of very successful Telegram groups and channels where we discuss profitable stock opportunities. While in the investing group, we are up close to 20%. On the trading group, we have almost doubled our money. If you want to go ahead and join our Telegram groups, please go ahead and open a completely free Upstox Demat and Trading account through the link provided in the pinned comment or in the description of the video. If you use the coupon code Flipkart200, you will also be getting a Flipkart rupees 200 voucher and also would be entitled to rupees 28,000 worth of subscription benefits on sites such as Advisory Mandi, Tavaga, etc. You can also choose to become a YouTube channel member or a patron on Patreon to join the groups. The link for all of these are present in the description of the video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Zee Media Corporation Limited, which is available at rupees 5.65 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is ZEEMEDIA. Now Zee Media Corporation Limited is engaged in broadcasting services and in the business of production and broadcasting of television software. Its segments include TV broadcasting business, which includes business of broadcasting of news and current affairs, and also regional language channels and sale of television programs, including program feeds, and print business, which includes publishing and distribution of English Daily DNA and other publishing activities, including on-job work basis. Its network comprises 3 major national channels, which are Zee News, India 24x7 and Zee Business. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has been a huge laggard and a lot of wealth has been destroyed here. The market cap of the company is 266 crores, which means that it's a borderline stock between a micro cap and a small cap. The EPS and price to earnings ratio are not applicable here since the company is not making any profits. The book value of 13.54 translates into a very cheap price to book ratio of 0.42. The company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding of 51.29 is pledged to the tune of 99.82%, which is alarming. The company also has a humongous debt of more than 300 crores, which is more than the market cap. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.